Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video.
You can see we're still working on the shed.
Yes. Take it over, take it on.
Now my run things.
As you can see, we're still working on the shed. So this is, I think now you have a clearer look of it. So what have you done here now, sweetie?
We're putting on the side and now we're edging off trimming it up to make it look neat and nice.
So he's trimming off the edges today because some of the woods that they went and got was longer than they needed. So after putting that up now, he's trimming it down. And this is what he did with the sidings. We all go down and get the woods and come and put it up. We get some nails. In here, we're gonna pack it with stone and level it off. And trust me, family, it's a lot of work to bring up all these woods to come up here and turn around and nail them. So okay, really and truly, I wanted to show you my bush pot. Today is the first of many bush pot that we will be cooking here. Don't know if you can see it. You can see it bubbling up there, family. Let me just take you in.
All of this stuff comes from out of the drum right here.
Yes. So family, here. And do you know I made this fire by myself? It took me a while. And I did get some help to fan it. But this in here, family, I have some cornmeal dumpling. Let me tell you, real cornmeal dumpling. So what I did was put them in the pot first to make them cook for a while before I put the other things in there. And on the bottom I have some cassava and some sweet potato. The cassava and the sweet potato was freshly digged. I even have this one here left back. Look at it, family. With the I'm trying to get the good light in. With the dirt on it. Fresh out of the ground. Fresh out of the ground, family. The cassava. Our friend, our brother Jim went and dig it for me. Isn't that love, family? That is real love for me to ask him, and he went and dig it up for me to get it. I really appreciate him. I really appreciate what he has done. And I know it's going to taste better. And he was telling us that we could also roast it. So on the leftover fire, we may put it there to roast. So I wanted to stir up the pot to show you. It's 1 spoon, you know, family. When you're in the bush, you just have to make do with what you have. So here we have this is the sweet potato and the dumplings. These are some real bush dumplings. And this is the cassava. Family, I have known to buy cassava that are frozen. So to come here now and to be able to get this cassava, you can imagine how it's gonna taste good. Look at that. The cornmeal dumpling is breaking because it doesn't have a lot to hold it. But that is fine. It's dumpling. That means it's not gonna stick to our ribs, because look at that. The food is all ready. The cassava is coming apart. Family? Yes. And we have a special man at the market that grows his things right in his backyard, and he come and sell it. So this is it. Some callaloo and some veg we have here to go with this food. Family, there's a lot of smoke in my eyes, and I wish I could have a fire that is not so low. That is the only thing. From bending, it puts a strain on your back. But anyways, I just wanted to come on and show you my bush pot, and I know it's going to taste.
Bush pot, and many more to come.
I know it's going to taste wonderful. So this is the shed so far, family. This is what is going on with it. We're out here trying to enjoy nature and to talk and think and about God, because this is our own duty.
Jim, you want to come by the camera?
And this is our friend Jim. Jim is the one who Jim is the one who went and dig the potato and the cassava for us, and we're so thankful. And he just cut out the whole of here, so family, the whole of here, so
This is the kitchen.
so my husband can make me a standing stove, a stand.
Really?
Yeah. When that is finished, you're gonna make a what do you call it? A stove that's at my waist length.
A stove oven.
With an oven in it, so I could put cassava in there, sweet potato and pumpkin and bake it, Jim. Yes, because I don't quite get the roasting as yet. When I roast, the other day I roast a potato, Jim, and by the time I ready to eat it, it was raw inside.
Okay,
But
make it bake a little time more.
yes, it seems like my fire was too high. It was on a high fire,
Yeah.
so it get black up fast.
Yeah. But you have to make the fire kind of low.
Yeah.
Make it cold, bake it. Yeah.
Ah. But I will get it with the help of Mr. Jarrett there. So family, yes, this is my machete and the peelings. I'm going to use back the peelings here for when we're ready to plant. And this is the pot here bubbling away. I know it is ready to eat as we are ready to eat it. So this is it for now.
Show the color, look.
Yes. I will come back at you with another video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. Stay with us, family, as we come back again with an update. Bye for now.